July 25, 2023, Dallas, Texas. Undercover cops on El Centro Drive had their eyes on a stolen U-Haul. Enter Ryan Taylor, a 41-year-old with a knack for chaos. He hopped in the cab and took off, immediately growing suspicious of the officers tailing him. Marked police units picked up the chase as Ryan roared onto the highway, treating the U-Haul like a monster truck. He had one goal: escape, no matter who got hurt.
Yeah, Chase?
10-4, he rammed a cover. Highway on DNT. Gonna be going westbound at 2500 White Cliff, coming up to me. Please don't fuck up, sir. Don't fuck up. Don't be stupid.
Fuck.
Oh my God.
Things went from bad to worse when the pursuit spilled into Dallas's crowded streets.
Just wrecked out. Hit one vehicle. Let's get somebody to check him out.
The chaos reached its peak when Ryan pulled a gun, forcing an officer to fire back. He was hit in the leg but tried to flee before surrendering after a short standoff. Ryan was arrested, patched up at a hospital, and hit with multiple charges, including aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. If convicted, he's looking at spending the rest of his life behind bars. December 20th, 2022, Houston County, Georgia. A routine traffic stop turned into a heart-pounding chase. Georgia state troopers tried to pull over 33-year-old Christopher Rodriguez, but instead of stopping, he floored it, sparking a wild pursuit across county lines.
Going in the back of Bio Lab. Going to the back of Bio Lab. Going to the back of Bio Lab. He's jumping up. Bush barn. Bush barn. Please, show me your head. Show me your head. Show me your head.
As the chase heated up, Rodriguez secretly aimed a weapon at the pursuing trooper. But our officer wasn't backing down. After losing sight of him briefly, the trooper tracked Rodriguez to a gated apartment complex, where he witnessed him carjacking a BMW.
Yes, sir. Grand Ford Place.
Moments later, the chase was back on, this time with Rodriguez in a faster ride. On the interstate, Rodriguez pushed the stolen BMW to its limits while the trooper skillfully navigated traffic, determined to stay in pursuit.